In this video, we will explore how you can seamlessly manage your assets, their health, and KPIs with Zapium. This is the screen you will land at when you open the Asset module. To add a new asset, click the Add New button to create a new asset entry in the system. Fill in the primary information, for example, asset name. Then the asset category this asset will belong to, and the type of asset it is, etc. If you want to associate this asset to a location, for example, a site, shop floor, or a room, etc., then select the location from the drop-down. Once done, click Add, and the asset will be created and added to your asset records. If you want to import asset data in bulk, then click Import to bring in your asset data using the import template. You may also bulk assign assets using the same process from here as we did in the import. Zapium provides you to filter the data in various ways. To filter the asset data based on their current statuses, for example, down, under, maintenance, etc., click Status icon and select the respective filter parameter. You can pick various other filter parameters like asset type, location, etc. by clicking Add from here. When you filter the data, you can save them as a view, and it gets saved as your vFilters or views. At any time, you can export your asset data by selecting the assets and clicking Export from here. Now, let's explore how individual asset looks like when added into the system. Click Asset ID or Number to open Individual Asset page. This page now lists all the specifics associated with this asset. Click the QR icon from here. It opens the QR code for this asset. You may download it as an image or PDF and can also create a URL for it. Your technicians and teams can create maintenance requests and can also access all historical records by scanning this QR. You can add downtime manually from here and can select planned or unplanned to categorize the downtime as scheduled maintenance or planned inactivity. This is how you can manually create asset downtime records. Your assets depreciation details are available here. From here, you can manage locations the asset is installed at. This section lists all the historical locations and the movement of the asset, specifying the date of move, etc. Assets may have child or sub-assets, and you can access all the child assets linked with this asset from here. For any asset, you may create new activities like work order, preventive maintenance, meters, etc. right from here by clicking this Add button. For example, let's click Work Order from here. And it opens a new work order form with all the information populated by default. In similar way, you can set up meters for this asset by clicking Meter from the menu of this asset. You can select the type of meter it is, measurement unit, meter name, etc. in the respective field. If you have IoT infrastructure in place and integrated with Zapium, select it Automated, or you may pick Manual option for data collection. You can also manage the status of this meter and make it active or inactive from here. You may click Add from here to finish setting up this meter or cancel creating the meter from here. Now, let's explore asset insights. While a lot of insights are available in dedicated dashboards and reports in Zapium, you can also access asset-specific insights right from here. Click the Assets Insights option to open the Asset Analytics section. At the top, Parent-child segregation helps you view the hierarchical relationship between all your assets and their components. Following that, you may check the status-wise data to understand the current operational status-related data. Then, you have categorical details of assets by their types and categories. You can access ticket or maintenance requests related to all the assets, their key KPIs like response time, repair time, etc. from here. Following that, you have the work order section, which provides insights into work order trends, such as total work orders, hours spent each month, etc. Moving on, let's cover the most critical asset KPIs and data. Click Reliability tab to review asset reliability metrics and related data. You can access KPIs like MTTR and MTBF from here. This is an average calculated based on the number of assets and their data. You can get asset-specific MTTR and MTBF by filtering the data from the menu above. Then you have stats like total downtime by asset, event frequency, MTTR, MTBF by assets, etc. This section also provides you a list of all the critical assets that are down, may not be under maintenance, or are down under maintenance. Overall, the reliability section gives you vital insights about your assets' performance and their health. This cost tab here will help you learn how to navigate cost trends and apply filters to analyze operational expenses effectively. Click here to filter the data for a specific duration. Could be any default date or duration, or you may set up a custom duration also. The following section provides insights into cost trends and activity versus cost trends. The operational cost section helps you understand the breakdown of operational expenses related to your assets. You can filter the data from here to access cost insights for a specific asset, location, etc. For example, click Assets to view detailed cost information associated with that particular assets. Select the asset and click Apply to confirm and apply the selected filters to the cost data. Click here to expand the detailed view of cost trends and activities. So this way you can access cost trend summary for the filtered parameters. From industrial equipment to HVAC systems, Zapium adapts to every asset-intensive environment. If you have any questions, drop us a message to hello@zapium.com.